Hey guys, today I'm going to make some mixed bean soup in the Instant Pot. So let's apply the pressure. This is real simple. There's different mixtures of beans. This is 16 bean soup. I've seen 15 bean soup. I think the last one I cooked was 5 bean soup. So like I said, there's all different mixtures, but I cook them all about the same. So it calls for 8 cups of water, and this one has a seasoning pack, so I'll put that in at the end. You're probably supposed to rinse the beans, but I always end up spilling them, and nobody likes someone who spills the beans. So, oh, there we go. That's 8 cups of water in the beans, and we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on the pressure cook setting for 20 minutes. And I'm going to turn the keep warm off and let the pressure release on its own. So I'm going to go do something else while that's cooking, and we'll be back a little later. This has been in the pot for about an hour and a half, and I heard the pressure pin drop a while ago, so let's take a look here. That looks pretty good. Now we'll add our seasoning. This is a seasoning packet that came with it. This is a ham flavored seasoning. I've used this before, so I know I like it. Sometimes I don't always like the seasoning packets that come with these, but I like this particular one. Also a little bit of salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this a lot. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. So I'll just keep adding a little bit at a time and tasting it, and until I get it the way I want it. It's cold today. Let's try this out. This also has peas and lentils in it. A little bit of everything. That's really good. Stuff like this turns out really good in the Instant Pot. You can do that in the crock pot as well, but it'll probably take 3 or 4 hours on high. So it'll take quite a bit longer. Annie's over here waiting for the taste test. She sleeps in the bed with me, so I don't know if I want to feed her too many beans. I don't need a gassy dog. We'll see what happens here. Oh yeah, it looks like she's going to scarf those right down. Could be dangerous for me later on. Looks like she licked up every last bean. One nice thing about these is they're nice and cheap too. I think that bag costs $1.69, and that'll feed me for a couple of days. So pretty good in cold weather. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys.